I am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In today's class, we are going to see Fourier series problems. Already we discussed the basics and how do you use the Bernoulli's formulas in the previous videos. Right. Now, the problems, first problem I'll take. Right. First problem should be obtain the obtain the Fourier series. Obtain the Fourier series of obtain the Fourier series of f of x equal to pi minus x divided by 2 in 0 less than x less than 2 pi. Hence deduce that hence deduce that 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus and so on equal to pi by 4. This is a given problem. So we have to find the Fourier series for this function. For that interval they have given, you can see interval should be 0 to 2 pi interval given. So interval is 0 to 2 pi. So already I told that either 0 to 2 pi or minus pi to plus pi, they will give in that interval period 2 pi. Or sometimes arbitrary period also will come. Here we are looking only period 2 pi problems. Now solution given should be f of x equal to pi minus x divided by 2. Interval is 0 less than x less than 2 pi. Some deduction they have given. First we have to find Fourier coefficients. What the Fourier coefficients means a naught, a n, b n we can find. Then we will see the results what you have to predict. Right. So here given thing is this. To check, I will check whether the given function is even function or odd function. To check even or odd function, we will replace. Here interval should be that 0 to 2 pi is there. 0 to 2 pi. Whenever the given interval should be 0 to 2 pi is there, already I told. So if the interval should be 0 to 2 pi, so then we can replace the given a function f of x in f of x by f of x in f of x, you will replace x by 2 pi minus x. Right, we replace x by 2 pi minus x in f of x. What is f of x? We know that f of x equal to pi minus x is there. In that place 2 pi minus x I will put. Why 2 pi minus x means interval should be 0 to 2 pi. F of x is pi minus x by 2. If I will replace 2 pi minus x, f of 2 pi minus x equal to pi minus of 2 pi minus x divided by 2. Now I will write pi minus 2 pi plus x divided by 2 I will write. So if you simplify, pi minus 2 pi is nothing but minus pi plus x divided by 2 I will get. Now this only I will write minus of pi minus x divided by 2 I will write. Now f of 2 pi minus x equal to minus of pi minus x divided by 2 I will write. Minus of pi minus x divided by 2. What is that pi minus x divided by 2 is f of x. Now f of 2 pi minus x equal to minus f of x. This is minus f of x I'll get. Now f of x is odd function. Whenever you will get plus f of x means even function. You will not get plus f of x, you will not get minus f of x means that is neither even nor odd function. Here minus f of x I got, that's the way I am telling that f of x is odd function. Odd function means we have to find a naught, we have to find Bn, we have to find here. So we have to find Bn. But A not equal to 0, An equal to also 0. This regarding this already explained you. We have to find Bn. Now first I will write f of x equal to Fourier series formula. Fourier Fourier series expansion. Also you can take Fourier series expansion. What is that expansion is f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos nx plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin nx. This is the Fourier series formula. But a naught an I don't want. Actually formulas we will write all. But here a naught an I don't want here. Only bn I want to find. Already I have written these formulas also in previous classes. What is the a naught formula, an formula? Whenever it is even function or odd function means only I will find bn. So bn equal to, I'll write only what is that 2 by pi into integration of 0 to pi into f of x into sin nx into dx. I'll write f of x into sin nx into dx. What is f of x here? You should take f of x is pi minus x. F of x is pi minus x by 2. Now I'll write bn equal to 2 by pi into integration of 0 to pi into pi minus x divided by 2 into sin nx into dx. Now here I'll take bn equal to 2 by pi into this 1 by 2 I will take out, 1 by 2 I will take out 0 to pi minus x into sin nx into dx, sin nx into dx. This pi minus x, I'll take it as u, and this one should be dv. You know that. So why I'll take pi minus x? Pi minus x is algebraic. That's why I took u, and sin nx is nothing but trigonometric. So according to the highlight formula, so first algebraic functions we will take. Later we will take trigonometric functions. Right now, I'll use that formula, but that integration of u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 and so on. Now bn equal to 2 by pi into 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by pi into integration of 0 to pi is there. Just if I'll apply the formula according to this, one should be u. I'll directly I'm not showing that. So pi minus x, pi minus x into pi minus x is u into integration of sin nx is nothing but minus cos nx divided by n, minus cos nx divided by n. Next, differentiation of pi minus x, pi should be minus according to the formula minus. Differentiation of pi minus x should be, pi should be 0, minus x should be minus 1 into integration of cos nx is nothing but sin nx by n square. Already minus is there, that minus I am putting minus sin nx by n square. Now again differentiation of, if you will go for next step, plus again differentiation of this minus 1 should be 0. So now you will get in the form of bn equal to 1 by pi into, now I will write minus 1 by n into pi minus x into cos nx. Cos nx, this limit should be, or that limit should be 0 to pi. Now separately I am doing here 0 to pi, minus 1 by n into pi minus x into cos nx. Here one minus, here one minus, here one minus is there. Totally I will put minus into minus is minus 1 by n square into sin nx, limit should be 0 to pi. Now I will apply, so bn equal to 1 by n into, now I will apply upper limit minus 1 by n into pi minus pi. But that first upper limit, if you will apply upper limit pi minus pi into cos n pi minus pi minus 0 into cos 0, pi minus 0 into cos 0 minus 1 by n square into, directly I will write, first upper limit should be sin n pi, lower limit should be sin 0. Instead of applying this also, Whenever 0 to pi is there, directly we'll write here only this term as 0 also. But I am applying here. For next problem onwards, I will write that term should be 0. 1 by n into minus, sorry, this is 1 by pi, 1 by pi into minus, what is that? 1 by n. So upper limit should be that pi minus pi should be 0. Pi minus 0 is pi into cos 0. So minus pi into cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1 minus 1 by n square into both should be this is 0. Minus 1 by n square into both should be 0. Now bn equal to 1 by pi into, now minus of minus should be plus pi by n. Pi by n. Now if I will cancel it this pi, so you will get bn equal to 1 by n. Bn equal to, you will get it as bn equal to 1 by n, you will get. This is the formula. So whenever we have applied even function, odd function, what will happen? We can, if it is even function means we will find a naught and a n. If it is odd function means we have to find only bn. So what about a naught and a n should be here 0. That's only I showed here. So I found out only bn because given function is odd function. Right. So I found out only we have to find bn. So a naught and a n should be 0 already I told it. Now after finding this, where I can substitute f of x equal to, in f of x I'll substitute here you can write one line, substitute a naught comma a n and bn in f of x. What is the f of x formula? Already you know that f of x equal to a naught by 2 is 0 plus a n is nothing but summation of n equal to 1 to infinity a n is 0. 0 into cos nx plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn is 1 by n into sin nx. Now I will write f of x equal to summation of n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n into sin nx. 1 by n into sin nx. But I have to simplify this. How do you simplify this? Some deduction I have given here. So you can look this up to here. If I have not given any deduction, we can complete the problem with this step. But I have given some deduction. What is the deduction I have given? See, 1 by 3, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7, like that I have given deduction. If I have not given, we can stop the process up to here. Deduction will give, we can see what values if I'll give, I can get the result I have to see. Either x equal to 0 or pi or 2 pi or 3 pi by 2, whatever the values between 0 to 2 pi is there, that one we have to check. Right, now I'll check if I'll give, see, here I have done that f of x, I'll expand this. If I'll expand this, expand n equal to 1 I'll give. First 1 by 1 into sin x I'll get. N equal to 2 I'll get. 1 by 2 sin 2x. If I'll give n equal to 3, 1 by 3 sin 3x. If I'll give n equal to 4, 1 by 4 sin 4x. If I'll get n equal to 5, 1 by 5 sin 5x. Like that, I have to choose the values. I have to expand that series means I'll get the values. But afterwards, I have to choose what values I have to fix for x. Right. F of x equal to, now I'll write 1 by 1 into sin x plus 1 by 2 into sin 2x plus 1 by 3 into sin 3x plus 1 by 4 into sin 4x plus and so on, like that. Just keep on going on. Now put x equal to pi by 2. If we give x equal to pi by 2, if we give 0, for example, I am checking directly I written here. So if we give x equal to 0, what will happen? X equal to 0 means sin 0, sin 2, everything will become 0. I will not get the result. Next, after 0, what value is there? Pi by 2 is there. So that value I am going. Even pi by 4 also I can give and check pi by 2. This is trial and error method. You have to give the values of x and you have to check. That's only by trial and error method. I am choosing x equal to pi by 2. X equal to pi by 2 I am choosing. So if you choose x equal to pi by 2, put x equal to pi by 2 in this equation, you will get f of x. What is that? F of x is nothing but pi minus x. So let's see, x equal to pi by 2 means what is that? F of x? F of x is pi minus x by 2. In this place, pi minus x plus pi by 2 whole divided by 2. 1 by 1 into sin x. Sin x should be sin pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 into sin 2 pi by 2. Sin 2 into pi by 2 plus 1 by 3 into sine 3 into pi by 2 plus 1 by 4 into sine 4 into pi by 2 plus and so on. Now pi minus pi by 2. What is that? Pi minus pi by 2 is pi by 2 whole divided by 2. 1 into sine pi by 2 value should be 1. If you will cancel this 2, you will get plus 1 by 2 into sine pi. Sine pi should be 0. Plus 1 by 3 into sine 3 pi by 2. What is that? Sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. Plus 1 by 4 into this 1, 2 ones are 2 2s are. So you'll get sine 2 pi. Sine 2 pi is also 0. Plus and so on is going on. Now pi by 2 divided by 2 is pi by 4. 1 minus 1 by 3 and so on is going on. Sir, you asked, you have written here 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 like that. But here we are showing only two terms means we can expand up to what is that 5 pi by 2, 6 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2. We'll get the same terms only. I got it first two terms. So that's the way. Just what I will write. In general, I'll write pi by 4 equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 and so on. Alternative terms you will get. So this is the required solution for the given problem. Right. So how do you choose this values x equal to pi by 2 means by trial and error method. 0 you can give, pi you can give 2 pi or pi by 2 between the values 0 to 2 pi, any value you can give, and you can check by trial and error method and you have to simplify the problem. So which value will suit, you have to check to the given expression. Right. Next problem. Obtain the Fourier series. Obtain the Fourier series. Obtain the Fourier series for the function f of x equal to x square, f of x equal to x square in minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi, and hence deduce that 1 divided by 1 square minus 1 divided by 2 square plus 1 divided by 3 square minus 1 divided by 4 square plus and so on equal to pi square divided by 12. Pi square divided by 12. Now, solution. Solution will take, here given function is f of x equal to x square. Interval is minus pi to plus pi. Interval is minus pi to plus pi. So this is closed interval. Closed interval of minus pi to plus pi. What the closed interval means? End points also, extreme points are also included. Now, here interval should be minus pi to plus pi is that means, how do you check even function, odd function? Already I told you. The interval should be 0 to 2 pi is there, you can replace x by 2 pi minus x. The interval should be minus to plus, it may be a minus infinity to plus infinity or minus pi to plus pi or minus 1 to plus 1 to check even function or odd function. So we can use that. We'll replace x by minus x in f of x to check even or odd functions. We replace x by minus x in f of x. Now, f of minus x equal to minus x whole square. What is that? Minus x whole square is nothing but x square. So, f of minus x equal, it's coming like x square. What is that? If x square is f of x. F of minus x equal to plus f of x means it is, which is even function. Which is even function. Once f of x is even function, we have to find, what are the terms we have to find? F of x is even function means we have to find a naught and an and bn equal to 0. We have to find you have to find a naught comma an and bn equal to 0. You have to find a naught an and bn equal to 0. Now, what is a naught? A naught equal to. So, before writing a naught, I'll write the expression f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos nx plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin nx. Now I can find the value of a naught. What is the formula for a naught is nothing but 2 by pi into integration of 0 to pi f of x into dx, and next one should be an equal to 2 by pi into integration of 0 to pi f of x into cos nx into dx, bn equal to 2 by pi into integration of 0 to pi into f of x into sin nx into dx. This is one is a naught, another one should be an, another should be bn. But bn I don't want because it is 0. If you write or if you will not write also no problem. In previous problem I have not written, but no problem. Only what you have to find, that only you should have to write. Bn should be 0 according to what is that? Even function and odd function concept. If the given function is even function means you have to find a naught, an, bn is 0. Now a naught is nothing but 2 by pi into integration of 0 to pi into f of x into dx. Now a naught equal to 2 by pi into integration of 0 to pi, integration of 0 to pi 2 by pi into integration of 0 to pi f of x. That f of x is nothing but here x square, no? So f of x is x square. F of x is here x square. So x square into dx. Now if you integrate this, a naught equal to 2 by pi into integration of x square should be x cubed by 3. Limit should be 0 to pi. Now, if you will simplify this, a naught equal to 2 by pi into integration of this one should be integrated. So I will put so pi cube by 3 minus 0 cube by 3. So now I will write a naught equal to 2 by pi into this one should be pi cube divided by 3. So I will cancel this. Here I will get square. So a naught equal to 2 pi square divided by 3. This is the value of a naught. Next, an equal to 2 by pi into integration of 0 to pi into f of x into cos nx into dx. Now, an equal to 2 by pi into integration of 0 to pi f of x should be x square into cos nx into dx. Now, x square means one should be u, another one should be cos nx into dx is dv lt. So here, this term I'll take it as u, and this one term should be dv. Now, if you take one should be u, another one should be dv means we'll take this an equal to 2 by pi into 2 by pi into integration of 0 to pi is there. Now I will integrate directly. 0 to pi is there. Now first one should be u. U is nothing but here x square. Integration of cos nx. What is that integration of cos nx should be sin nx. Sin nx. Integration of cos nx is nothing but sin nx by n. Minus formula minus. X square is nothing but what is that? 2x. I have not written udv formula directly. I am doing. So differentiation of x square is 2x. Integration of cos nx should be minus sin nx divided by n square plus differentiation of 2x should be 2 into integration of sin nx is cos nx. So here integration of sin nx is nothing but just a minute. Integration 2 by pi into x square into sin nx by n. Differentiation of x square should be 2x into here what you will get? You will get cos nx here. Here you will get minus cos nx. Cos nx divided by n square plus 2 into integration of cos nx should be sin nx. Already here one minus is there. So minus this one should be sin nx by n you will get. That one should be, I'll write 2 into differentiation of x should be 2. 2 into minus sin nx divided by n cube. Limit should be 0 to pi. Right. Now I'll write an equal to 2 by pi into, I'll take 1 by n outside, x square into sin nx, limit should be 0 to pi, plus 2 by n square into x into cos nx, limit should be 0 to pi, minus 2 by n cube into sin nx, limit should be 0 to pi. Now we can simplify this. Already I told that here sin nx term is there. So whenever limit should be 0 to pi is there, the terms directly I'll write here sin n pi equal to sin 0 equal to 0 I'll write. This term will vanishes to 0 and this term also vanishes to 0 because of the limits. Now only remain should be an equal to 2 by pi into an equal to 2 by pi into x into cos nx is the 2 by pi into, here what is that, 2 by n square, upper limit if you will apply, upper limit pi into cos n pi, lower limit you will apply 0. Now you will write an equal to 4 pi divided by n square into cos n pi should be pi into cos n pi is minus 1 power n. Now I'll write this pi and this pi get cancelled. An equal to 4 divided by n square into minus 1 power n. This is the value of an. Now bn value already 0 I told that. So now we substitute a naught, substitute a naught comma an and bn in f of x. You substitute in f of x equal to, what is that, a naught by 2. What is the value of a naught? Already we know that. So a naught value should be, we know that 2 pi square by 3. So I'll write 2 pi square by 3 whole divided by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity. An is 4 by n square into minus 1 power n into cos nx. Cos nx, bn should be, what is that, 0. Summation of n equal to 1 to infinity, 0 into sin nx. Now I'll get, so f of x equal to pi square by 3 plus this one should be 4 into 4 I'll take outside, summation of n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power n divided by n square into cos nx. This is f of x. But if nothing is given, so we can stop the problem up to here. But here given something and they have given that we have to prove or reduce like that they have given. So how do you reduce that one? Means, so first what I have to reduction I have to see. So here I have term should be here pi square by 3 is there, then here cos nx is there. So according to that, what value of x I will give, so I will get the deduction you have to see. What value of x you have to give here? 1 square is there, 2 square is there, 3 square is there, 4 square is there. That means here, you can see here, that means no term will become 0 here. Cos term, say first term has to come, second term also has to come, third term also has to come. That means 1 by 1 square, 1 by 2 square, like that. All the terms has to come. So the time, what value you will choose means, by trial and error method we can choose, put x equal to 0 in f of x. What is f of x? We can see. F of x already we know that. This one should be that x square. Here you can write, if you want, we can write x square equal to, you can write. F of x is nothing but x square. What is that x square means here? Put x equal to 0 in means, here we can write, in the place of x, here f of x place I am putting 0. So now, if we put here f of 0, that means in the place of x, f of 0 means 0 square equal to pi square by 3 plus 4 into this one. I will expand it. If you will expand, at the same time I am substituting x equal to 0 and I am expanding it also, or otherwise 4 into summation of n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power n divided by n square into x equal to 0 means cos 0. X equal to 0 means cos 0. Now I'll write f of 0, 0 square means this one. If I'll bring this side, pi square by 3 minus pi square by 3, 4 into, first n equal to 1 you will give minus 1 by 1 square, cos 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1. Second one should be minus 1 square by 2 square, cos 0 is 1, plus minus 1 cube divided by 3 square, plus minus 1 power 4 divided by 4 square, plus and so on. You can write. So now we'll simplify this. We'll get, can take this 4, that side is there. If we'll bring that one this side, so you will get minus pi square by 12 minus pi square by 12 equal to minus pi square by 12 equal to minus 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square minus and so on. Now, if you multiply this minus, otherwise you can take common that minus and you can simplify, means pi square by 12 equal to 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square you will get. So and so on, which is the required solution for the given equation. Now, in this way, we can simplify that all the problems. But here, what is the required result? You can see both is the same or different. We can see here what I have given, the same result only we got it, or different result we got it. We have to see f of x equal to x square, 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus and so on equal to pi square by 12. The same result only I got it here. So how do you choose these values? Means by trial and error method, x equal to 0 or x equal to pi by 2 or x equal to pi, like that we have to choose.